Well, before I clean up, I guess I should show you. It ended up running, but this is what we're running like. Choke has to be pulled out. And come on. And it won't start unless I spray starter fluid in it, apparently. Well, I don't know why that is. Come on. Oh, there it is. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it like this and let Robert tune the carburetors. I'm not 100% sure about the fuel pump. I'm not 100%. Anyway, it shut itself off, but I shutting it off. That's good enough for today. I can't look at this thing anymore. But, you know, I know how to open the hood now. Let's see. I know how to open the hood. And there's brake fluid in it. All right. Cleanup time. Look at that. I got a bin, an oily bin. Why don't we try to see if we can wash this out?